do something you're very passionate about.
How to make money. So most people do ask me, how do I actually make money? It's very easy. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to actually make lots of money. 1. Build an online platform. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos all made it through building an online platform. And there's you. You're probably working in a salary job, being paid annually, and you're just living a low-cost life. You live in a fake house or a low-cost house, and you get shouts every day, maybe $100,000 every year. But you can build something that can truly change the world. This is Jeff Bezos' network. He didn't get that working on with somebody. He made that through doing an online business, which we all know today as Amazon. So when building an online business, first you need a niche. So what's a niche? A niche is actually a category for like an online business. For example, Amazon is under a category of e-commerce. So football is under a category of sports. So a lot of people may say, I need lots of customers to start my online business. And the answer is yes. So why do I get lots of users? And this leads us smoothly into our next step. Find a purpose for your startup. Just like Facebook and Instagram are both social media platforms, but for different purposes. Instagram is based on photo sharing, while Facebook is a general social media platform. So, 98% of businesses fail because of purpose. A news report came that 68% of billionaires are self-made. So, what are they actually not telling us? Warren Buffett self-made, Howard Stockett self-made, Oprah Winfrey self-made, Jeff Bezos self-made, Elon Musk self-made. So what are they really not telling us? The truth is that your equation is all wrong. This is how your equation look like. Money is equals to salary from a job. So what are they really not telling us? Because you can really become a millionaire from a salary job. It's so hard. You work day and night persistent for earning some little salary. And the basic truth is your time is worth it. Let's say, for example, you make $20 every hour, and 40 hours in a week times 24 years is actually equals to $1 million. And that's actually accurate if there's no inflation to your money. So in that case, your $1 million is not actually sure. So how do millionaires or billionaires actually become billionaires? I'm gonna take you through the step to what equation they really use. But before we get there, we need to talk. So let's draw a simple equation right here. So you start school as a basic level, then to primary school, then junior school, then to senior school and university level, then you graduate. And the actual equation is you need money. Because at the end of the graduation, you need a job. So which means you actually go to school to get a job to make money. So what is the actual equation for earning billions and billions of dollars? So you may be wondering, I need to start making money right now instead of going to school. And the real truth is, school actually makes you think to work under somebody. And you being a billionaire, you don't need to work under anybody or anyone. You can be a self-made billionaire by building your own product.
idea is go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, get out of debt, and invest for the long term in the stock market. See, why would you save money when they're printing trillions of dollars? The gap between the 1% and 99% is massive. You see, it's not just money. You have to step back and look at the bigger picture.
So what do you do?
So you may be wondering, I thought this video was how to make money. Yes, it is, but most people don't tell you this because they don't want you to know the truth. Lastly, start working on your ideas. So this might be one of the hardest parts ever, because right now you need to start working on your ideas, and it's pretty hard because it's for you and not for a client. Unlike when you're working for a client, it's much more easy. Welcome to the bizarre and trendy world of making your ideas come to pass. So this equation is going to lead you to the path of making tons of money through your ideas. First of all, you need a team. Growing your business, you need lots of great people to work with you. So in this video, I'm gonna lead you to the right path of getting the right people for your great ideas. First of all, start working on your project. The first thing you need to do is to know the right path to follow to make your business good. Be ready to spend. And by spending, I don't really mean paying for advertisements, but by creating more great products. When big trouble start to face is by spending more money on advertisement instead of creating a great product, because customers actually need your product and services before even thinking of making money. Because you delivering a good product actually gives you good amount of money, because consumers will be ready to spend for your business. So you may be wondering, how do I get more awareness to my business without advertising? And the truth is, I didn't say you can't advertise, but your main focus should be creating a great product for people to use rather than spending your time on advertisement. So if you're a programmer, you need to start working on your ideas as quickly as possible. Another focus should be feedback, because your customers' feedback matters a lot. It helps improving the business. Lastly, tell people about your business. Don't always give up on telling people. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you need more business coaching, you can just send me an email with the link in the description below.